Ever tried to tweak your eBay listing only to find the edit button stubbornly refusing to budge? You're not alone, and today we're turning that frustration into action. First, let's tackle the most common culprit your browser sometimes. A simple browser refresh or clearing your cache and cookies can work wonders. Go into your browser settings. Find the privacy or history section, clear the relevant data, and then try accessing your listing again. Next, if you're still stuck, consider that the issue might be with the eBay platform itself. A quick way to check is to open your listing in a different browser or even in an incognito or private browsing window if it works there. You know your original browser setup was likely the problem. Another possibility is that your listing is in a state where edits are temporarily restricted. This can happen if the listing is about to end, has received a bid, or is currently being reviewed by eBay. Check the listing status in your My eBay Selling section if any of these apply. You may need to wait for the current state to pass before you can make changes. Could there be a temporary glitch on eBay's end? It's rare, but it happens. Try logging out of your eBay account completely and then logging back in. Sometimes a fresh session can resolve transient technical hiccups that prevent editing. Finally, if none of the above steps work and you're certain there are no listing restrictions preventing edits, it's time to contact eBay support. They have tools to investigate deeper issues with your account or specific listings that you can't see. You can usually find their contact information in the Help or Contact Us section of the eBay website. With these steps, you should be back in control of your eBay listings in no time. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eBay selling tips.